how to set Chrome as a default browser in your computer. So I'm going to show you. There is a simple method you have to just follow. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so first just come to your home page and just click on this window button and go to the this gear icon, settings. Your settings will be open here, and here just find out app, just click on apps. Under the apps you will see the options. There's a lots of option inside your left side, so you have to just go to the default apps. Under default apps you can see the all default apps for the all action. Like for mail you can see the this default app, for maps, for music player, for photo viewers, for video players. And here we are here to find out web browser default. Okay, so in my case you can see this is a Chrome browser. If you want to change from if you have any other browser, just click on it and you can select from this. I just select it. After select, it will be change. So that is how you can set the Chrome default browser. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.